Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Homes and Space. Today we are at Sobha Town Park Phase 3. Welcome to 4 BHK with servant model house. As you can see, this is the main entrance of the flat, which is 8 feet main door, which is imported from the European countries. Once you enter the flat, you will be having a foyer space. On the left hand side, you will be having a servant room along with the washroom. Step inside the living room, which is wide, airy and designed for the little moments, which is spanning around 24 feet by 15 feet, which also includes your dining space along with the crockery unit. This is your informal living, which is around 12.5 feet by 11 feet, where you can spend quality time with your family, attached to the connecting balcony, which connects your bedrooms. This is smartly designed kitchen space, which measures 11.5 feet by 8.5 feet, also comes along with your utility space. This is massive and well ventilated master bedroom, which is around 14.5 feet by 11.5 feet, which also comes along with your balcony, wardrobe space and your attached washroom. This is your kids bedroom, which is around 9 feet by 8 feet, which also comes with an attached washroom. This is the fourth bedroom in your flat, which measures 12 feet by 11.5 feet, also comes with an attached toilet and French windows. And these windows are made up by Sobha Limited in their own factory. This is your separate room for your servant, which is around 8.5 feet by 8.5 feet, which is also attached to the washroom. A world that's masterfully crafted. 67% of total area is allocated to open space and lush landscaping. 56,000 square feet of clubhouses includes Town Center, Club Hamptons and Club Madison. Bangalore's first ever 90 diameter of cricket ground in a residential township. A curated 70 plus world-class amenities is spread across 4 zones for all age groups, such as swimming pool, jogging and cycling track, multi-purpose court, outdoor fitness, party lawn, floating deck, celebration field, pet trail, kids play area and many more. After successfully launching and selling Phase 1 and Phase 2, which is Sobha Manhattan Tower and Brooklyn Tower, now Sobha has launched the Phase 3, which is Sobha Madison Heights and Hampton Towers. This property is spread across 33 acres of land parcel. The structure will be 2 basements plus ground plus 41 floors. And here you will be having 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs. Currently in Phase 3, we have a 1500 square feet of 3 BHK start from 2.5 CR and another 3 BHK measuring 1800 square feet, which will start from 2.7 CR, and your 4 BHK, which is 2800 square feet, will start from 3.8 CR. Sobha Town Park is located bang on the Hosur main road, which is near to Attibele toll, just 15 minutes from the electronic city. Here we have Infosys, Wipro, Biocon and many more corporates located. In just 10 to 15 minutes from the project, we have National Public School, Mega International School, Oxford Medical College. In just 10 to 15 minutes of drive, we have a Narana Rudralaya Hospital and Kaveri Hospital. Here you are not just buying a flat, here also you'll be experiencing a New York City lifestyle, and currently we have a special payment plan which is 20 and 80 scheme, where 20% you have to pay now and 80% after 2 years. And this payment schedule is only for limited period. For more details, contact homesandspace.com. The main USPs of the projects are project location. This project is located bang on the Hosur Road, and it's an integrated township project which is around 100 acres of land parcel, and also we'll be getting a mall from Sobha which is around 5 lakh square feet. Third will be inside the project you will be having a 90 diameter of cricket ground.
For more details, kindly reach out to given below number or www.homesandspace.com.
And for more real estate video, subscribe to our channel Homes and Space.